Hello guys, and welcome back to Amnow Tech. In today's video, as you can see, we have an HP 15 laptop, and anytime when we power it on, it does display on the screen boot device not found. As you can see on the screen, boot device not found. Please install operating system on your hard disks. With this issue, it could be that there is no Windows on the hard drive, or the Windows is corrupted, and more to the point, the hard drive could be faulty. Now, to solve this issue, we just have to power off the PC and go into the BIOS settings and do some configurations to see if the PC boots, or we see if the hard drive is working normal. Just power off the PC and keep pressing F10 to enter the BIOS settings. Once you keep pressing the F10 and it enters the BIOS settings. Right, so now that we are inside the BIOS settings, on the BIOS, you just have to go to, as you can see at the top tabs there, we have main, security, system configuration, and exit. Now what you need to do is that you just have to go to system configuration. On the system configuration, now you go to boot option, and you see as in boot option we have secure boot, which we have, you can see we have legacy support and then secure boot. Now what you just need to do is disable the secure boot and enable the legacy support. Once you've done all this, just go back, press escape and go back to the main menu, go to the exit tab, then select exit saving changes, and then once it shows you, select yes and then press enter. Right, so once you do this, the PC is going to restart. After restarting, the PC is going to pop up some message which is telling you whether you have agreed to the settings you have done on the BIOS settings or not. And if you agree on that, as you can see, we have 4241 plus enter. You just have to type these 4-digit numbers, then press enter. Once you do that, the settings is going to be saved and the PC will restart again. As you can see, our PC is booting normal. So this is just how easy and simple it is to solve this boot device not found on an HP laptop. So meaning our problem was from our BIOS settings. The BIOS settings was misconfigured, and that is just how easy and simple it is to solve this issue of boot device not found on an HP 15 laptop. And guys, this same configuration we've done can also be solved on different models of HP laptops. So if you are facing the same challenge on an HP laptop, you can try this out and see if it works on your PC or not. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. So see you on our next video. Peace out.